What's up, guys? Welcome to another Twisted Booze Media video. Hope y'all are having a great day. Hope y'all had a great weekend. Work yesterday was pretty good for us, so we just been printing stickers last night, and then we did some finishing up this morning with that. So we'll let you guys kind of see it, check it out. I'm pretty pumped. These things came out fucking sick. So we got some freebie like sample stuff we're gonna lay out at car shows, and then we got the actual legit little logo stickers with the gear logo. We got a bunch of fucking colors, man. We got, oh man, the lighting ain't that good. There we go. Got gloss red. I don't know if y'all can kind of see that. Carbon fiber red. Got like a lime green. Dang. Not really working either. Alright, so we got gloss red, carbon fiber red, lime green. We got a little bit of a brighter carbon fiber green. We got a matte orange, gloss black, matte blue, no gloss blue. Sorry guys. This is a carbon fiber blue. We got a gloss white, carbon fiber white. We got a carbon fiber black, and we got a purple. So here's the actual stickers. Y'all be able to see a little better. That's the carbon fiber. You get one of these right here. There we go. And you can see that carbon fiber on there. So we got carbon fiber red, blue, green, white, and black. Got a couple matte colors. I don't know why this matte blue's up here. We go down there. As you can see, we've been making stickers like crazy, man. The transfer paper is the only issue I'm having a little bit. As far as problems go. But yeah, we got the orange. This matte orange is sick. You got the gloss black, carbon fiber black. Got the two whites, carbon fiber and gloss. Gloss green. Damn, blue stickers don't want to go where they need to go. But yeah, that's what we got, folks. We got the purple, matte colors. We got gloss colors. We got carbon fiber colors. That's what we're making. Again, the only issues we're having is the transfer paper. Doesn't really like to stick, especially on these little ones. Doesn't really like to stick to it too much. Seeing, you really gonna have to fight some of them to come off. But it's not gonna be too big of a deal, to be honest, because if you ever put vinyl on that you ordered online or anything like that, you kind of know what the problems are gonna be already. Yeah, see, just kind of doesn't stick that good. So we're gonna try to get some more hardcore transfer paper and see how it goes. Yeah, these are gonna be all like the little freebie stickers. Bam, got a whole pile of them over here already. Then we're just gonna throw on the car or on the table at car shows where we're gonna be hanging out at, and throw them out. Let y'all just pick them up, grab them. They're good for like toolbox stuff, you know, those kind of deals. Heck, and if anybody wants some, man, I'll make y'all some vinyl stuff too. I mean, you can look right here. We got the Facebook logo, we got the Instagram shit, and we got the YouTube. I mean, the YouTube button's easy. It's just, if you want them in a specific color, y'all can check them out on our Facebook page and stuff. Doing a lot of work, man. And this is how they actually come out when you stick them. Well, that's just the F, but I got smaller YouTube ones I can make. I may have deleted this pattern actually, but we just used something to make that. And then that's actually the cutout of that one right there. So a little bit smaller, but still works. Not really a great Instagram logo or whatever, but it'll do the trick. So alright, these ones right here are gonna be $2 each. $2 stickers right here. Any color. All these colors cost me the same amount of money, and it doesn't really matter. It's maybe a $2 difference between some colors. Like, I think this one was a little bit more expensive, the matte purple, and the carbon fiber, pretty much all the same. Some of the colors are a little bit more expensive, but other than that, again, these are going to be $2. These are, I'll give you guys some good dimensions here. These are, that's the old Wrong side there. We got, these are about 4 inches by, get that out of here, 4 inches by 9 inches. Okay, so 4 inch by 9 inch sticker. I don't think $2 is too much. $2 each or 2 for 3, matter of fact. So we got a little better of a deal for you there if you guys want them. Let me know. The shipping, I don't know, it'll kind of be up in the air for now. It'll probably get shipped snail mail, or in a little brown envelope with a little cardboard in there. So let me know what y'all want. If I'm printing stuff for you, you can let me know how big you want it. I can print 12 inch by 24 inch. So if you want a giant logo for the back of your car with the Twisted Boost deal, just like this, I can pretty much print like this big. So these, if you want something that's 12 by 12, it'd be $5, or 2 for $7, whatever you want to do. And anything in between, pretty much gonna charge you $3. $3 or 2 for $5, something like this size. You know, this size logo will be $3 or 2 for $5. So they're all gonna be 2 for 1 deals, or excuse me. They're all gonna be 2 for deals, where you take $1 off. $2 each. If you want some logos, man, I'll do a pack for $3. Do a pack of these. This exact setup right here: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube with your name for $5. So if you want something like, we'll just do it this way. If you want all that stuff and a name with it, a few different font options, hit me up. I'll let you know. I got Photoshop, man. I got fonts for days, so I can make my own patterns. I made this text from Photoshop and this right here, on the computer and stuff. I bought the actual logo, and then I just made a pattern with it for this. But I mean, look at the detail, man. It's got the little turbine wheel in there. I mean, that line's pretty skinny, and it cuts it. Highly recommend that machine, folks. It's the Brother Scan Cut. I'll give you guys a little shot of the logo here. Alright, but again, let's see here. Social media tags with a name. If you want to make you one for your personal stuff, I'm totally down with it. With the name, those 3 things right there, these are, I mean, they're like 4.5 by 4.5. Yeah, about 4.5 by 4.5. This one's a little bit bigger. It's 6 1/4. So if you want some of those, I could do them any size. It'd be $5 with the name. Social media tags with the name, $5. All right, let's go here. Again, how much are these? $2 each, or 2 for 3. $5 or 2 for $7 on the gigantic shit. And then we got these like smaller size ones. We'll probably just end up giving these ones away or something with the rest of the freebie crap, but these are just test pieces kind of. These are gonna be 3 or 2 for $5. You guys got it? And then obviously we got the little freebie stuff for the car shows and whatnot. Let me know what y'all want to do. Hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, any of those. I'll write your info down. Let me know what you want. Okay? So that's gonna probably be it for today's, or well, this morning's video anyways. So we'll see you guys later. Hopefully y'all want to check out some stickers. Video is gonna be up on Facebook and YouTube, so y'all go check it out. Check out what we got. I'll sort out the details with the editing and stuff, so I'm not repeating myself the whole freaking video. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoy these stickers. Let me know if you want to order some. We'll see you in the next one.